I beg, when are people giving Nnamdi Kanu a peace deal? Because I mean, up till now, I don't even know what he did. But I just know, say, when I put him. No, I won't say I don't know what the problem is. You say, okay, treasonable offense, it was encouraging crime, it was encouraging terrorism, and all. Person where they encourage, different from who buy. This one where buy, they give him a peace deal. But the one where you claim, say, he do treasonable offense, you don't give him a peace deal. So why is the man there? What's really going on in Nigeria, bro? That terrorists are being encouraged with a peace deal? So meaning say tomorrow now Bello Truji, for all the atrocities where Bello Truji they cause. Bello Truji, as we speak now, he gets soldiers for bush. These people don't take over the north. They terrorize the full north. They'll go into different villages, pack women, go. The Northerners are suffering in the house of these people. They don't have peace. So tomorrow now you give him a peace deal? Because I already heard that they'll not send one imam go inside bush, may go follow Bello Truji talk. So in all of this, you give them a peace deal. So how about the justice for the people that their rights was stepped on? How about the people where they don't buy? As I talk like this, I feel just go now me they kidnap me. Yes, don't go buy me. Next thing I'll just see the story. That's how crazy it is. May God help us. This country